News that's worrying for all of us. Petrol and diesel prices continuing to rise for the last 9 days. The retail price of regular petrol crossed 100 rupees per litre mark in Rajasthan's Sri Ganganagar yesterday. Rising fuel prices are burning a hole in people's pockets across the country.
Fuel prices continue to skyrocket, touching record heights across the country. Regular petrol breached the 3-figure mark for the first time after a hike of Rs 26 paise took the price in Rajasthan's Sri Ganganagar to 100.13 for a litre. In Delhi, the cost of petrol is just short of Rs 90 a litre, while in Mumbai, it has reached Rs 96 for the first time ever. Petrol is selling at above Rs 90 in many cities, including Kolkata, Chennai, Bengaluru, Bhubaneswar, Hyderabad, Jaipur, Patna and Thiruvananthapuram.
पब्लिक को बहुत परेशानी हो रही है। इससे ज़्यादा और पब्लिक क्या करेगी? ये तो रोज़ पैसे बढ़ाते जाते हैं वेट कम करके। सबसे महंगा पेट्रोल राजस्थान के अंदर है, अशोक गहलोत की सरकार के अंदर।
हमारी इनकम तो कम है, हाँ इनकम कम है, लेकिन पेट्रोल बढ़ते जा रहा, महंगाई भी बढ़ते जा रही। क्या करेंगे इसके लिए अपन? सरकार तो ना भूखा मर रही है, अपन साधारण इंसान मिडिल क्लास वाले भूखे मर रहे। मेन बात ये, बाकी कुछ नहीं है।
इतना बढ़ जाएगा पेट्रोल, कुछ दिन में तो 100 हो जाएगा। गाड़ी छोड़ के मैं बस से आना जाना करना पड़ेगा। फिर
महंगाई बहुत ज़्यादा हो गया है। पिछला टाइम में जो 100 रुपया में 1.5 लीटर आ जाता है, अभी 100 रुपया में 1 लीटर पॉइंट समथिंग आ रहा है। तो बहुत जो कॉमन मैन के लिए बहुत तकलीफ होता है पेट्रोल का रेट में।
Diesel rates have also seen a sharp rise over the past 9 days. It has almost touched Rs 80 per litre in capital Delhi. In most other parts of the country, diesel prices have crossed Rs 80 per litre. In Kolkata, the price of diesel now stands at Rs 83.54 per litre, while it is Rs 87 in Mumbai. It crossed Rs 85 in Chennai for the first time ever.
मामले अच्छी आक्रोश है और एक प्रॉब्लम है और सभी डीलर्स की ये डिमांड है और सभी डीलर चाहते हैं कि दाम कम हो।
The unending increase has given fuel to the opposition parties. The Congress attacked the Modi government, terming the spiraling prices of petrol and diesel as a fuel loot. On Wednesday, launching an oil and gas project for Tamil Nadu, Prime Minister Narendra Modi blamed previous governments for not reducing India's fuel import dependence.
I want to say, had we focused on these subjects much earlier, our middle class would not be burdened. Now, it is our collective duty to work towards clean and green source of energy.
The reason behind the increase in fuel prices is attributed to the increase in global crude oil rates. But the rise in prices at a time when pandemic has eroded people's incomes has come as a big blow to common people. Bureau Report, India Today.
Hi everyone, Preeti Chaudhary here. Hope you like this video. For latest news and analysis, like and subscribe to the India Today YouTube channel. And don't forget to press the bell icon to stay updated. Thank you for watching.